Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How to Get Transparent Updates During Your Remodel. Now picture this. Your home is buzzing with the orchestrated chaos of a remodel, but you're sitting in the dark wondering if your contractors disappeared like socks in a dryer. Never fear. Today, we're shining a spotlight on how to keep those updates flowing, clearer than a desert sky. First up, lay the groundwork with a pre-commencement powwow. This is your golden opportunity to set expectations. Let your contractor know you value updates more than Aunt Mabel values her secret casserole recipe. Establish a clear communication plan and agree on how updates will be delivered, whether it's weekly meetings, daily texts, or the occasional smoke signal. Make sure both parties are on the same page. Schedule regular check-ins like clockwork. And I don't mean like a nice suggestion, but a penciled-in appointment that's hoisted higher than a piñata at a birthday party. These meetings give you a chance to review progress, address concerns, and keep everyone aligned, without that sneaky uh-oh moment the day before guests arrive for your big reveal. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Let's talk documentation. Insist on detailed progress reports and photos that showcase the work as it unfolds. It's not just peace of mind, it's proof positive that the contractor didn't just stop by, snap a selfie, and call it a day. Visual confirmation keeps everyone honest and on track. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A transparent contractor will openly discuss potential issues or necessary adjustments. If they're dodging your questions like a bullfighter, sidestepping a charging beast, take that as a sign to ask why. Technology can be your ally. Platforms and apps designed for project management can offer real-time updates and streamlined communication. Ask your contractor if they use such tools. You might find that it's the hero you didn't know you needed. At the end of the day, effective, transparent communication is like the mortar that holds the bricks of your remodel together. It keeps stress in check, synchronizes efforts, and delivers a finished product that meets, or better yet, exceeds your expectations. So whip out these strategies and watch your remodeling process unfold like a well-scripted play, not a seat-of-your-pants improvisation. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.